everybody, I'm really excited to share with you all this cylinder floor lamp. Guys, this is excellent for all of you out there. This fits perfectly in all different rooms. It can go in your office, your bedroom, even your living room, basement, garage, wherever you want it. It's going to definitely brighten the place up and make it just look that much cooler. So anyways, I'll go ahead and just go over some of the details of this, and then I really want to show you guys what this looks like in the dark. Just to start things off here, it does come with a manual. It lays every step out as far as putting this together goes, how to put it together. Maximum will take 15 minutes. I put it together myself. It was really easy. Like I said, the instruction booklet or the manual here goes over it step by step. If you have a friend that can help you out, it'll even be quicker. But anyways, here it is. It has a nice solid base to it. It's very sturdy. It won't tip over or anything like that, which is great. And then it does come with a USB port here, cable here, that you just plug into like any kind of block or anything like that you even like use to charge your cell phone. All you gotta do is plug it into one of those, and then it powers up. So it's really easy to do that, and I'll power it up here in a minute. But this also comes with a remote control. I'll give you guys a close-up of the remote control here and everything you can do with it. And we'll go over that here in a little bit, but it does have an array of colors you can choose up here. It has the power button. You also can change the brightness. You can change the speeds, and then it has some preset modes as well as a music option. So this can change colors to music too, which is a really neat feature of it. So that's really cool. And then lastly, there is an app that you can download. When you download that app, it will give you access to literally millions of different combinations of colorways and things like that you can have on here. So you're not just limited to the remote control, but actually you can customize literally everything you want. So we'll go over that here in a second too. But let me go ahead and plug this in. We'll get it started, and I'll start showing you guys what it looks like. All right, so I'm going to turn the lights off. And to start things off here, I'm going to use this remote, and then I'll go into the app and show you guys how to use that too. All right, so as you guys can see here, I just have it set on this color. Let's go ahead and brighten it up though here for us. Now you can brighten it all the way up just like that, and then you can also dim it all the way down to that. But we'll go ahead and brighten it up here. As you guys can see, I can change the colors. Has a really, really nice look, guys. The color is even all the way through, which is really nice too. So you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about the color being very bright in one spot and then dim in other spots. So I really do like that. And then you have some preset modes here. You can see here, got some preset modes. You can increase the speed if you would like, and then of course you can dim it. There you guys go. So, like I said, you can increase the speed if you would like. There you guys go. So you can increase the speed or decrease it if you would like. You got different options as well. So I'm going to turn the light on. So that was just using the remote control. Now I'm going to go ahead and load the app up. So this is what the app looks like. So I'll go ahead and get into the app and show you guys what else you can do with this. So I have a color wheel right now. I can change it to literally whatever I would like. You can customize the colors. Like I said, there's infinite amount of color options here. You can go to like white to purple to blue. So that's pretty cool. You can do that. You can change. There's literally all kinds of different options as far as modes go. There's hundreds of them. So you could sit around and go over this for literally hours and still never run out of options. And then you can connect the music as well. All you have to do is allow Magic Lantern to access your music on your phone, and then it will go ahead and play your music too. You can also connect it to your microphone on your phone, and it will play to your voice too, which is really cool. So overall, guys, highly recommend this product to all of you. As you can see, it's beautiful. You have almost infinite options as far as what color you want, things like that. So definitely recommend this product all of you. It's really easy to set up too, and it looks phenomenal.